How to see all group chats on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Click on search bar at the top in the Messenger app and search for your group name. If you find your group name in here, simply click on it and you'll be able to view all the messages in the Messenger. If you don't find it here and if you have texted them, what you can do is go to the main page and scroll down till you find the group chat. After you find the group chat, click on it and you'll be able to see all chats. This is how to see all group chats on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.